Hello, 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 everybody. Hello, welcome in. Welcome in. How is the sound? I'm still using like the old camera. How you doing? How are you doing? Hello, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you. Little, sorry, sorry. Welcome, little bug GT. Welcome, welcome. Yes. How are you doing? Sounds good. Yes, sounds good. Okay, sounds good. I will try to fix this thing on this week. We will see. So far, my microphone looks like this. And maybe this just like I checked like the micro scheme. It seems to me like everything just fine. Maybe the wire. I wasn't get any chance to change the wire. So yes, welcome to the stream. Welcome to Tuesday stream. Thank you for joining me. For those who don't know me, I am the game developer. We are making the game, Reporting the Vibe, the game, where everything can be adapted to your own play style. So basically, this is kind of like the sandbox. By the way, uh, I want to give you something little foggy. I want to give you the key. I wanted to give you the key to the game. Like as my again like my gratitude, my thank you, and just in general, I would love to uh you know share the vibe, share the vibe. Uh, Camera. Okay, cannot lower this thing. uh, so yes, what was done like this week? Like usually I do the updates every week. Every Wednesday, the game got like the update. The game is on Steam, uh, and you can play this thing. Again, this is like pre-alpha, um, but yes, it's getting there. It's getting there. So like previously, like last week, I had like weird technical problems. So this was like everything started like on the stream, like I got like this update, and that and this. Everything just like scrambled. I don't know, like, and on top of that, I had like the problems with Unreal Engine itself. So I spent like the whole last week uh, restoring like the progress. I like accidentally, I don't know like what happened. The Unreal Engine, I know what happened. Like Unreal Engine somehow like broke in like cache file system, and I was not able to remove this issue. I tried to clean this thing, and nothing helped. So I restored this and that, blah blah blah, like restless week, no sleep nights. And eventually I got to conclusion to recreate everything from like scratch again, the whole work. So like I have like the backup, yes, always do the backups. I have the backup like 2 week old, and I basically recreated the whole progress once again. So everything is seems to me like in order. I restored everything. Everything is good. The only thing I have left is to just recheck everything once again to see like everything is like super incorrect state. And tomorrow you will get like the the previous week update, plus a little bit some more like more extra features, more fixes, this kind of stuff. So I also did some refactoring stuff. So yes, everything will be like super interesting. And yes, I have like many things in common. So hello Fakti, I will write you the DM on Twitch, and I want to give you the key. So let's enable the music. I will fix like the microphone. When I fix this will be like even cooler. Keys. Okay, ready. I just send you the key to your DM and like the link to the Steam page. I will definitely be playing it and trying it out. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Like, I hope you will like it. If there is something like good, it's okay. Like just tell me like what. If something like is bad, it's also like okay. Like tell me like why. Because this is like the point like of the pre-alpha. We are improving this thing and trying to do this thing even better. Like I got like many insights after the playtests. So how was your week? How was your week? How was your Phantasmaphobia streams? Like adventures? I know that Shank told me that you are like the goats in Phantasmaphobia. I think he has been good. Nice, nice. Good week, just. This is good. We have been playing a new game called Species Unknown. I like for the context, I have no idea about this game. Like literally, I'm just saying like I almost skip all new releases because I'm too busy making the vibe. Been out since October, but it's fun. Interesting. Interesting. So this is kind of like the friend slop in a good way. So it seems to me everything is in order. We have like multiple streams. Yes, also you can congratulate me. I have a little bit more space, 35 gigabytes. I used like this software and tried to like clean everything as I could. But weird things sometimes happen. Just I realized like yesterday I cleaned like the space. After that I've been working like the whole day, like nothing crazy, watching the videos on background, the Chrome, and suddenly 35 disappeared and appeared into like 15. So, and after that I reboot the PC and it's back to 35. So there is like some sort of like a cache during like the work during the day. Not sure what exactly, but it is better than 200 megabytes. So everything seems to me stable. I have like two two projects open, one on the right and one will be on the left. So here we are. I will leave like the one from the left. This is like the broken project. Again, the problem with the cache. Unreal Engine is like poorly work with like structures. These are like the things that basically like the structure of variables, like a variable A, B, C, like true, false, this value, you know, and it's everything combined into one structure, and this is like very convenient. But there is like a problem. If you change like this structure, the Unreal Engine might like collapse, like I don't know what's to do. Usually there is like a simple solution. Just go to like the specific part of the code and press refresh everything, and engine, oh yes, and that doesn't help like last time. So yes, I cleaned everything, like everything that I could. I even like thinking about like going up to like new engine version, but stayed like with this one. Anyway, so this I have like the list of what I've done. Let me upload. So this is like the version online. Yes, so little bug T. I really recommended to play the game like tomorrow. Tomorrow when you will got like the news that update like 42 is came out, because I fixed a lot of things, and yes, this would be like better experience. Like talking in advance, the game also has like, so like the direction of the game is just like, you know, to breathe out. It's more like relax, I would say, to take a breath, to take the rest, you know, this kind of stuff. But also you can join to like shooting with like Shank. You both have the key. The multiplayer is like available for you, and yes, you can play the game like multiplayer, play the storyline multiplayer. So yes, many things incoming. I have like huge plans. Everything is like achievable. I know exactly how and what to do. I just need the time. So today I will just go through, like I already went like quickly through all this list of features, what was like restored and this and that. So I'm right now just like step by step, like checking, like, okay, Karl has like the name back. Okay, let me recheck this thing. Yes, this is like indeed was restored, and I can move to the next state. So I'm just like checking like all this stuff. Okay. So let's change our category. We are the game developers and start this thing. So the last time when I start like the new game, when I start the new game, I want to reset all my save files. Okay, so yes, I have like the Unreal Engine problem on both versions. Restore the game instance. So today is gonna be like the long stream. So take a seat, relax, enjoy your time. You can leave me like on the background and do your stuff. I'm gonna do like the co-working stream. I personally find this thing really motivating. At least like I do this kind of stuff. Sometimes I watch other developers. Wait a second. Sometimes I watch other developers. What they doing. This means like I'm not looking like for the ideas, but I'm just like love to see like other fellow developers like working, like creating stuff. I really encourage people to create like this stuff. This is awesome when you can create the things. This is just like one of the reasons like why I have like the game editor inside of the game and like the whole concept of the game. And yes, it's really a personal thing. For example, I kind of like realized like I have like a lot of tension and like pressure in life, at least like at least like 15 years. So I always like wanted to have the rest, and I think the game is like the place where can we have a rest a little bit. So I start like simulation. Okay. Broken, saved, save games. Saved. Save games. So I'm right now at the stage of checking when reset Steam data, also reset like Steam atmosphere. Set the atmosphere to the default state, and when we start the game, my intention to make the atmosphere to look in a certain way. This previously I made this thing, but somehow I copied like the code, but it's not the same. So I will investigate this thing. Why? Oh yes, by the way, little fuck D fuck T. I also recommend to join to my Discord server. Just say it. Okay, yes, thank you. You can just join the Discord to get like the bonuses in the game. Like you sub to the Twitch. That's what everyone calls me. Okay, okay, yes. You can join like Discord. So you are like the Twitch sub, and the game, if you like in my Discord, when you log in the game via the Discord. So let me walk through you. The game, basically you will get like the extra bonuses in the game. Vibe world, where am I? The extra bonuses in the game, like I will constantly update them. Like for example, like rename your in-game name, the customization options, like extra customization options. I will show you how to do this login. Like I usually use the phone because this is like the quickest way for me. Okay, so this is like the debug. So here we are. Open the link for the authorization. Loading the page. I open my scan QR code, and in a moment I probably might be already logged in. No, I'm not. So just like took like the phone, Discord, open the link, and another scanning. Yes, I want to enter. I need to move the loading page from behind. Yes, authorize. So this thing is like I'm running like the free server on the website render.com, which sometimes like it's not actively used. That's why the server, like this server's like shut down, like my server like in a sleep mode, and we have to like wait, for example, like 15 seconds, like usually. Like in 15 seconds you will able to try this thing again. Loading the page. Now I should be already logged in. The data received. I am like Bordian, I'm the developer, Twitch subscriber, and stream. Nice. And this just like my roles. And with these roles, for example, you will be able to customize like extra. Like for example, when we start like customizing things, so usually you got like some like pre-made presets. But with this thing, like with you will get like extra options to make anything, like any color, you know, anything basically. I was not able to create like this thing, like put all variants here. I just create like as extra feature. So yes, really recommend you to do this thing. And also, by the way, when I also do the streams, You can also like log in, and you basically, when I do like the streams, you will get like the same, like all these features like as well. Like for example, if he wants to like call, like play with the friends, like maybe it's kind of like the demo for them. Okay. Kazakhs, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. How are you doing? How are you doing? Glad to see you as well. Glad to see you as well. So we are back. We are so back. I've been working this whole week. I can say everything was restored. Everything is compiling. We are so back. We are so back. And like tomorrow will be like the update. Like yes, 100%. Version 42 plus some extra features, extra fixes, code refactoring stuff. And yes, everything is like almost in order. Almost in order. Still at yes, thank you. I need to add like the visual call as well. A little bit like later, maybe like this week I will add like the head. I love that head. Thank you, thank you. I love this too. This head looks so cool. I literally look like this, yes. So yes, everything was restored, except like the microphone, like the camera. I still use like the camera as my microphone. I just like try to run like on local shops to find like maybe the wire, but no, I haven't found. Like this is like the wire like used for like the printers. I think maybe something wrong with like wire, because it had some like rough times. So I checked the microphone. So this is how the microphone looks like. I'm here. Hello, hello. So this is how the microphone looks like. Everything seems to me like everything is in order. The only thing is like the chip is like heating. I should not touch this thing with my hands here, actually, because our skin has like the oil, and this is like bad for the chips. So I clean this thing with paper a little bit, because this can cause like overheat. Yes, as I said. So maybe something with the wire. Otherwise, I guess I will find the new microphone. What are you cleaning? So there is like this thing, the black square. This thing is called like a chip. I clean this thing because I touch this thing with my bare hands, and our hands, like usually like skin, this contains like the oil. And if I touch this thing, this creates like the tiny like surface like above like the chip, and this tiny surface is just like the microphone. Yes, the microphone. So yes, if we like this, so yes, the inside information, like literally, about how the things was done, like how the mic was done, how the game was done. So yes, I just clean this chip because the oil when this thing works, this rises the temperature, and if it has like extra oil thing, this the temperature will be higher. Man, name games. Hey, hello, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Glad to see you all, guys. Glad to see you all. Like, thank you for joining this stream. Like, thank you. So I'm just saying that everything is in order. As I said, like everything was restored. Now I'm just like running through the like make sure that everything like was correct. Plus, yes, I can show like some of my brother's work. He was like he did some experiments with like the environment. Like we both came to conclusion that like the water needs to have like these spheres like under the water. So we will have like the beach filled like with these shapes. So this is like temporal, I would say, like the how to say, like the sketches how this thing will look like approximately, like that. Tell your brother his work is looking fantastic. I will definitely. Yes, it is indeed. What's good? Have friend drops. What's good? Oh, everything just fine. So we have like these like kind of like new objects. They are floating, and they have like extra material. Ah, yes, I have like needs to enable this thing. $5,000 Bitcoins. Oh yes, oh yes. So this is gonna be like the effect when the light will be broken. So this can be like this will look like this, for example. The new particle like floating cubes below the weapon syntax. And yes, I will add everything into like the game editor, so you can put this thing like by yourself, create this stuff. Why my speed is not changing? So weird. Oh yes, here we go. There is no floor. Yes and no. So like there is like the underwater like terrain. This needs to be adjusted. I guess we have like the issue with like combining our like progress. I guess he has like the correct surface. So plus some extra objects here, like another PX object. So yes, the tiles. Save. Oh yes, save all. Yes, thank you. Thank you. The most important thing. I saw a chair in the water. Yes, yes, you are completely right. The chair underwater, so it's the terrain should be adjusted. Like we can use like this, like okay, like uh, this does matter. Yes, eventually I will get like the I will get like the terrain, but we can fix this thing in that way. Oh yes, nice. You know what? I think I love like this way, like the path to this thing. Yes, plus new rocks. And now we have like this tiny like land. So is this thing is like yes. Save the vibe. Can we go there? Oh no. It's to load temporal. Is this thing how? Test, yes, test Alex. Make this thing always loaded. Okay, let's go. Few little pellets. So let's select something like this. Apply and let's go. So these are just like the parts of the floating benches, but in general who knew what? I think I will add like the new emote, and now I have the idea. I will like create like the vibe cubes additionally. So yes, this is gonna be like in the future when you progress like the game. But yes, so this is like for the future. This will not be like the part of like the nearest update, but definitely will be in the future. Okay. So. Let's go back to like to main. Got to go be right back. sure. Go to like the main menu and let's start working with the save system. So when we start like the new game or like reset like the progress, I want to reset like the atmosphere. I want to reset the atmosphere. And I need to make this thing from the main menu. So this is gonna be like join run default, basically run default, player control, save file quests, save file quests, So go to like player controller, save file quests. Sorry, I had to step away for a minute. I re-up my coffee. Did I miss anything exciting? Unfortunately, yes. Unfortunately, yes. I just show like the new well, but no, maybe not. No, I just like I showed like the basically like the new objects and fixed like the terrain, so created like this small island, and basically that's it. Maybe that's it. So if maybe you missed nothing. So I'm just like moving back and fixing like the stuff. Just go through like the list. I like check and check. So when they reset Steam data, atmosphere sets to the default. Oh, you revamped the spawn island. Yes, kind of. Yes, kind of. So good. Ah, by the way, we got like I think yes, I never showed this thing before. Yes, we got like the new weapon. So I also today I have a plan to add like the two weapons. I'm going to need to make one of those lists too. Yes, definitely. So this thing is like this program what I use is called the Obsidian. I saw the other developers use this thing as well. This kind of like the notepad, kind of like, at least I look this thing as like notepad, advanced notepad. So you can make like graphs, enter like you can even enter like the Twitch chat to this thing. Like I saw people do this thing, create like the schemes. So basically the potential is not just like checking like these marks. Right now I use just for like track my progress. Before that I used basically like the notepad. After that I used like the Google Docs, but at some points it was like very like long loading stuff. So I saw people use this one. Plus this thing, you can customize it. You can customize like the um, appearance, like theme. Select what's suitable for you. Like for example, these are like the examples. You can make it look like this, even this. Where are the screenshots? The examples. So you can even make like this as the terminal. Funny. Yes, I think this is like for you, Shank. Obsidian terminal theme. Like cool stuff. Cool stuff. Like make this thing like personalized for you. Like almost like the vibe, actually. Interesting. Maybe I haven't checked these things yet, but maybe I will change this thing. So yes, I like the potential seems to me like big. Unloaded it now. Yes, sure. The potential seems to me very big, but I'm not exploring the potential. And yes, this is like free as far I can get, like even open source. There is like some like extra features you can like you have an option to pay for them or not. Like synchronization like between like other people, something like that. But I use like alone, so I'm totally okay with this thing. And yes, you can set like you can customize like default thing like any colors. So I set like these check marks to have like the same color as like my font on the stream. Sure, why not? Okay. Lot quest. Lot quest. Story mode. What does this mean? Okay. So I am in the main menu. If save file quest is not valid, no. set load quest data. For example, let's make like this. When I try to run this quest, this game mode, I try to load quest my data. But first I will bind the quest load data loaded, so I will wait like when this thing load completed, and after that I will do like this check: custom event on data loaded, bind and load the game. On data loaded, I'm gonna check, do we have like this save file quest? We should have one. Let's check, do we have like this? This is so weird logic, why I made this one. Oh, no, it's correct. So completed quest. Yes, everything was correct. I was looking at this thing. So I was checking like, do we have like any active quest? If true, so we reset the atmosphere. I was like, yes, we might completed the quest and we might have non-active like logic. And I was like, what's the point? And after that, I just saw like, oh yes, if we like completed something, like at least if we completed, so this means we ignore this logic. This means we like already in the game, we already have like the vibe and we do not reset our atmosphere. But here I just like I just realized I have this one. So if we, so this is like important, we bind like till waiting and like start loading this stuff, and yes, we try to download this file from the Steam if we are in the game editor. If we are not in the game editor, we do the attempts, because we might have like the weak internet connection, this kind of stuff. Yes, if we do like this blah 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 blah, we do like the regular like engine like save file system, and eventually we assign like the data was like completed, and we listen when this data was completed, and we do like the check. Is no active quest completed? Then set atmosphere to the default. Set atmosphere to the default. And the custom event. Let's get rid of this macaronis. Reset start the game. We will put this thing here, but with this delay. And instead of these macaronis, we just call this event boom, and yes, boom as well. A little bit cleaner. I set the delay because sure, why not? To not rerun this logic like crazy over and over again. So if we don't have anything, we set up our atmosphere to the default. let's check it. So make sure, yes, I don't have any save files. We start the game, and this thing is like default menu. Join the game, join. So what we got, the debug, we have like, we unloaded, this thing is like, this thing basically is true, so we set our atmosphere to the default one. Loading. And this does not work. I don't get it. I don't get it. Why? This should be like the sunset. It says like literally the sunset. Maybe I know why. Maybe I know why. Maybe I know why. Maybe I know why. Because when I load the stuff, I create like the fake atmosphere, and basically I have like in the code, like when I change the atmosphere, I get like the first like actor in the array, and I change this thing because I usually think it's maybe from that issue that caused my atmosphere to change before I will change back. No, it's different. It's different. Why that? So are we back? Are we back? Are we back? Yes, are we back? No, it's not that one. It's not that one. Actually, I barely remember why it was that. I don't get that. Oh yes. I think you. Yes. You are subscribed, I guess. So this thing like the Twitch is like removing the ads, I guess. So I'm not sure how this works. Because you hit that subscribe button. Yes. Thank you. So this is not the case. Last time I don't remember why exactly. I literally don't remember, but I fixed this issue. So you actually can change like the atmosphere like between like the levels. Everything is okay. It had to do with the quest ending. It was like the issue with level transition, like when I traveled like to the different level, I lost the connection to the atmosphere. This was like the issue. I fixed this thing, but I don't remember what exactly was this thing. So this was like a little bit like long time ago for me. But this one is like the issue is here. I get like get actor of class. I was sure like I have only one actor, but now I have two of them. The first like the new loading screen that you see, like this sun with the palms, is actually like another atmosphere actor, like fake one. Now I have two of them, so the get atmosphere reference, now this like get the incorrect thing. So I will do like the check. I will take all my actors, atmosphere actor, atmosphere main, and I will check like the parameter. Is this atmosphere is like, for example, is part of like my blueprint, which is like is part of any blueprint. If yes, then we ignore this win. If not, so this is like the correct one. From auto local atmosphere. If not, we use this one. The rest we ignore. And yes, you know what? It's actually a good idea to recheck the atmosphere change between the levels. But again, this should work. This should work. We will test this thing right now. So okay, save games, delete everything. So this one is like the fake one. This is like the real one. Okay, join. Oh yes, you saw that. You saw that this was like it has changed. Now yes, everything is back. So yes, I was correct about my prediction. So let's check this thing, like change these like sky, something like green. Yes, we change this thing to green, and this one to green as well. Yes, everything is somehow green. And let's go to, for example, travel to training grounds. Sure. Yes, another fake one. Oh, why my camera is so low? And I am able to move this. Another bug I need to fix. I should not be able to move this thing. Interesting. So I think this is like the bug. This is like the new bug. After like the quest lot, we cannot like. Are you accidentally playing as atmosphere right now? Yes, I accidentally play as the atmosphere. I love the vibe. ATAGK. What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome, 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 welcome. Glad to see you as well. Like so this is like everybody gathered today. Yay, 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 yay. By the way, I have like really good, interesting news. Lobby system is over. Yeah, I'm free. Yes, congratulations. So what was like you said like you made like the lobby system like like this style, like the vibe style, the positive vibe, like this synth wave. Do you have like any screenshots or something like to share? I'm curious. So yes, I accidentally play as the atmosphere, indeed. Anyway, so I changed the Sierra travel visuals. I changed them to like set the scale to like to the 0. And I have like the struggles with the collision because of that. But anyway, like everything is green. If I move to like, if I leave this session, move to like main menu, this somehow is not green. This is like suspicious. Okay, we will fix the we will fix this thing right away. When first time, set to the default. Now we need to also like check this. Reset Steam data to the default atmosphere. Yes, fixes. Loading screen does not deleted after server travel. Now it's deleted after server travel. Yeah, I have a video for showcase. Send the DM. Ooh, cool. Let me open the browsers. I did some like clean up. Behold, my C drive, 35 gigabytes. Yes, I used like this software. But I don't know, like yesterday I just working like on the background, watching like the videos, and my 35 dropped to 15, and after that I reboot the PC and this goes back to 35. So yes, I have some sort of like something eat the cache. Lagging problem solved, kind of. The lagging problem actually was this was like I tried to stream like to the TikTok as well, but this failed because this looks very smooth. Yes, indeed. This right now very smooth. This just goes to like Twitch and YouTube and nothing else. So I have like enough of like internet like bandwidth. As for the TikTok, they force users to use their own like streaming thing, like OBS, but their own, and this causes like twice like resources to do the things. So I'm just like I have like the engine and this also like this just like huge like this cost a lot resources, and I was not able to do all this stuff at the same time. Multi-streaming can be pretty taxing on recorders. Yes, indeed. But with Twitch and YouTube together, like everything is super smooth. I use like the auto multi-stream, i2 my multi-stream. This is like the plugin, I guess. Item multi-stream. So this thing works like this does not make like extra video. So this take like existing and just transfer this to other source. So this is like very optimized thing. You gotta get a second PC for just the stream and have one just for the coding. Yes, this is like the ideal situation, but I don't have such an option right now. I just tried to check your video. This video is unavailable. This video is private. ATJK. Oh. So game state. Server. Now this is me. This is like OBS. I just said that this is like optimized, and here we are. The OBS says that the encoder is overloaded. So despite the fact that this is optimized, this struggles. This struggles like anyway. But this is like super smooth. I go to like two sources. I used to try to like 3, like the kick, but I find the kick like really weird place, just bots, like place with bots, and that's it. And I don't know, the vibe is not good. The Twitch so far is like the best one. Yes, I'm gonna try again. Sure. Oh. Indeed. So is this like 3D or 2D? That looks awesome. Oh yes. Oh yes. Indeed awesome. Indeed awesome. What do you mean? Like the background, the background. To they're all PNG. Oh yes. No, they look awesome. They look awesome. Yes, indeed. Super. I was like, I was not like aware what are you doing exactly. I was like looking at the background. Got help from Gemini for generating this. Yes, the buttons they distinguishable that they are generated. Has a good taste of synth retro pictures. Thank you. Yes, so cool. Yes, by the way, yes, ATAJK, this song that I showed you last time, Bad Name Games. This is like the guy who made those songs. So yes, I introduced you both to you. So Bad Name Games, he was inspired by the vibe to make this song, and ATJK, he was inspired to make these like backgrounds, also like by the vibe. Ah, the music, right? Yes. Nope. I'm learning all kinds of new software, so I don't have to use any AI generation in my project. This is also important. Like this is also important. And the chat. Nice, nice. And the fact that, as you told, this works like with Epic Online Series and Steam at the same time. Cool, cool. Oh, such a nice water. Cool, cool. Yes, thank you. Thank you for showing. Awesome. Awesome. Oh my god. Fantastic. So let me check the old broken code. Game state. Hmm. Is your travel? Hmm. Hmm. Okay, this is like the error why I have like control over like the atmosphere. Loading. Mhm. I'm going to learn Blender for concept stuff and maybe for making assets. I already kind of know how to use Krita and do digital art. Yes, yes, free software. This is like our stuff. Like I used to be like the Photoshop user for a long time. Now I am like Krita user, but I think I do this nowadays like super primitive, I would say. But yes, like as like the free version of Photoshop, this is so good. And the Blender, yes, indeed. I used to be like 3ds Max. The Blender, I'm like not a little bit lazy learning the Blender, but this like nowadays it is super tool. I am excited for all the new skills I'm going to learn. Yeah, that's the spirit. That's the spirit. Yes, definitely. Like AI is like cool stuff, but to be able to create by yourself, this is like also important thing. Pretty sure we will have a ton of fun playing Teleports the Vibe because of all of you guys' effort. Yes, indeed. Because all of us, we all together create like the vibe. We all together create it. This is like, this is awesome. Like, we create like this world of calm and connection. And of course, I'm going to be asking this man himself for all the help in figuring out Unreal. Yes, sure. Yes, as I told that I read the concept. Everything is like super like I know how to make everything like probably like because I already have like half, maybe not the half, but maybe like the most thing you just asked. Like I have like the capture the flag game mode as well, and on my side I can have like 4 team at the same time and any amount of flags, and I have like the weapons, the effects, this kind of stuff. So yes, like kind of everything is already in the vibe. You just described me. But the only thing I would like consider thinking about like the car thing, you know. There might be like two things with the car, like the fake one or like kind of like physical one, you know. This needs to be like to think about. It is all in the vibe. It is on the vibe, yes. It is on the vibe already. So yes, just a lot of things already in the vibe. I've been Sergey's DMs bugging him at random hours, asking how the heck to do something. Sure, no problem. I think I can give you just like tons of answers. Be right back, my friend. Sure. I can explain you a lot how the things works in Unreal Engine. So player state, show loading screen. So this is like part of like the crash out of the engine. So this thing I need to recreate as again. So let's do this thing. Join the game. Now in theory we should not have like the, oh yes, these two things I need to remove like before the release. I totally forgot about them. This was like the debug. So let's change this thing to have like, okay, let's have like the blue sun, and the sky gonna be, you never guessed it, blue one. So it's custom. Cheat code, let's transfer ourselves to blueprint, for example. So we don't have our second atmosphere, and we have the blue one, and this means like the thing, the shank you told me, and I was like thinking about, is this works? So this works. This works. If I go to like leave session, what's gonna happen? Somehow when we go to like to the session, this stays as like not the blue. Interesting. Interesting. Broke something. Interesting. What if I set night 1 and go back to like menu? Okay. So when I am in the menu, this remembers the previous one, not the custom parameters. And this is probably correct. This is probably correct because I do not store the data of like the current level of the current settings between like the levels. What if I let me like show that I understand this thing correctly. So I change this sun settings to like to the blue, full blue, and I save this as preset. Blue, and now this should be like look the same in the main menu. Blue, yes. So this is like, I'm not sure, is this like the bug or like how this should work? If I save my custom settings and go back to the main menu, the settings will apply. But if I have like the custom settings and I do not save them and I go back to the main menu, I will not have like this same UI. So this bug was fixed. This is like visual. Maybe save not saved settings between levels. Okay, this is gonna be like, this is not so hard to do this thing, but we will do this next time. We will do this next time. Oh yes, oh yes. Welcome everybody. Welcome everybody. I see the viewers. For those who don't know who we are like making the vibe all together in kind of way. The sandbox where you can customize the world to your own taste. The world adapts to your own taste. And let me see. Rabbiteer, hello. I can see you lurking. Hello. So good, so good, so good. Now let's move to the next check mark. When reset Steam data, also set atmosphere to default state. This is like perfect example. Someday I will get rid of these errors. These are not like critical ones. So I'm right now I have like this like blue thing and blah blah blah, and let's test the game. Delete or save progress, yes, and go. And now we have like the default atmosphere, so this works. So this actually works, and we can move to the next check. Cheat code show AI debug show correctly for the specific player. Yes, I just checked this thing like off stream. Fixed when AI got removed or kick, also remove AI debug. Yes, this works correctly. Clear player or AI inventory reset animation. Yes, correctly. I'm just like why am I like I already checked this thing. I remember this was like the task like I left for the next time, and I stopped here. Added all animation for the third quest. So let me make sure. The third quest, advanced movement. Da, 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 da. Let's have to install the palm animation. Talk about pickups. It seems to me like the animations they are on the place, so this thing is like correctly. Show third quest completed on dialogue quest. And so yes, this is probably not there yet. Advanced movement. I guess yes, this is here, like close dialogue. So I add this, I said. So let's add close to player. Let's remove this thing. So this is a little bit deprecated. So when the quest was completed, we add the close as reward like random close. I decided I do not want to do this thing. Interesting. No. Why I have update and close the I no longer will give player like random close. Let me mouse. Let me find this thing, for example, everywhere. I will let players to buy their, like, what they want, not random. I think this is like, I feel weird. Like, for example, personally, I wanted, oh yes, I wanted this item, and bams, like I got like just complete another one, and me myself, I had like the frustration, like, no, I don't like such a random. So yes, I'll. Right now you can get like all weapon, like the clothes, like for free. But I will create like the buy system. Like it's really not really complicated to do this thing. Ah yes, by the way, the next like probably next time I will add something like cool to the stream. So since we, yes, I was correct that I made like this move. So since we got like everything smooth, and right now I'm running like two engines at the same time, and I really don't see like any like performance lose. So I will connect chat to the game like on the consistent level. This will be really interesting. So remove this one, legacy assistant as well. Okay, I know for sure that there in this place I have the bug. Else now goes immediately after first quest completion. So yes, as I said before, the game has like the layers. You discover them by like playing the game. Like for example, at the beginning you don't have like the health, but later you will get this thing after the completion like the certain quest. So this is like, this thing is like responsible for the health. Late update and disable UI. So I know what's the problem. The problem with like the replication speed. The problem with replication speed. This Obsidian program is actually really cool. Maybe yes. I use like just like on super basic level, but so far like people can do like crazy things. Like as I said, like people can draw things inside of this, like put like even like the chat. I saw like the Conrad, he put like the Twitch chat inside of this thing just right here, and he made like kind of like he's huge, like bored of things, you know, and he just navigates like this, like, oh, where is this thing? Oh, this thing, you know. Uh, pretty good potential. So nice, yes. Again, I'm kind of like a little bit not checking these functions because I don't know, I feel like I'm too busy with the other stuff. But this is might be just my excuse, like my brain like can be like, oh, I don't want to learn this thing, you know. Even just for notes and checklist, it's pretty cool. Yes. Like you can have like subfolders, like cool, and you can clone them, you know, just go to like clone bookmark. Oh my god, like open version history. What? Open to the as like make the new tab. Oh my god. More option. Export to PDF file. Ah. Merge file. Bookmark. Split. I have no idea. Like I know like maybe 1% of this thing. Again, try to customize this thing like at the beginning. Like go to like settings, appearance, theme. Yes, theme managed. Maybe you have like green nightmare. I don't know. Sounds not very cool. Oh, maybe like matrix. Oh. Yeah, guess who? Ooh. Ooh. Interesting. This is you, am I right? I picked that green nightmare and actually looks awesome. legit. Pick whatever you taste, whatever you look like. Again, I think like the green nightmare, the green, like, you know, the matrix might be like interesting variant. Like I assume I assume you love the green color. And console. Oh yes, console, another variation, the console. And what was that? Console and terminal. Yes, terminal. Yes, try. Oh my god, this is like so Vampire Bloodlines. If you remember this game, like this old school game, you had like the PC and it was like, this looks like this. Oh my god, yes. Yes, just exactly like one of my favorite games of all time. Oh yes. The fun fact, the Vampire Bloodlines, I was inspired by this game to make my own dialogue system. You see, this is kind of like exactly the same thing as Vampire Bloodlines have. And I have like the dialogue branches like intimidation, like persuasion, this inside of the game. So like one specific case where this can be used, I have like the talents. In the game, I have the talents. Nexus, link, Nexus. I literally started streaming Vampire the Masquerade. It's always this is like fantastic old school and like cult game. Like I love this game. I love this game very much. This is like the peak of like role playing. It's like a vampire, like in general. Like oh my god, oh my god, I miss such games. Like so yes, actually, the Vampire, the Bloodlines, the dialogue system, I was inspired by this game and with the Gothic, and I recreated this kind of stuff. Like, uh, yes, I recreated this thing for myself. Again, I have like the skill tree already there. You can like speak like a little bit like persuasion, and if you speak like with the specific AI, which is not available right now, like for like to see like AI which restores like the energy. You spend like the money, like the RAM, like the in-game currency, and he will restore you like the energy, and you can like actually like persuade him to like make you like the discount, something like that. So yes, Vampire Bloodlines dialogue system, I have this thing inside of the vibe. Yes, exactly like this. The vibe is like exactly the same. So you can actually like change your mind and put this terminal, and you will have like bloodlines always with you. How do you have tabs? Tabs? Which tabs? New tab, just like that, I guess. Tabs. Oh, these tabs. These just like the two different engines right now. I'm just like, this is like the broken one. I'm just like rechecking like the code. This is like the correct one. This one compiles. Everything is okay here. So health now shows immediately after 4 quest completion. So this is like the replication delay, I guess so. Enable or disable UI. I said this thing is finished, and after that I said like check UI. Check UI, and I go to UI. UI parameters. Health, I guess this should be here. Health bar, welcome legacy, find completed quests, finished. I assume this is like the replication problem. I will check this thing. Like I will replay all my quests, but this is like the later, like the super late task. Anyway, let's continue. Yes, this thing, yes. New visuals for training grounds. As far as I can get, everything is like correct, but let's go back and remove the temporal actors. The new visuals, this means I added like some new materials, make this thing everything as like the mirror side, like reflection. Change these things to make them like this. and add these matrix style like code. So yes, everything is in order. Almost. I forgot. I want to remove this upper thing. I don't need this thing, at least right now. Huh. This is so weird. So yes, I guess this is from my brother, some like overlapping stuff. Just make sure there are no duplicators. Oh, I set it. I set it to Obsidian terminal and feel like 90s hacker. Yes, indeed. And the hacker like the same. Like this is like indeed this creates like such a feeling. Like I remember like the blonde lines, the same. I had like the same feeling. Like I don't know, like even this specific like green color. Like when I checked like the emails, this and that stuff, I also had like the same feeling. Awesome. So yes, everything is okay, and these things, get rid of them. And area progress, yes. What is this? This is okay. Removed radio name text, yes. Change a little bit visual style of agent slow. Okay, we need to make this thing like as a male version. I want to slap my keyboard really fast and say things like I'm freaking the algorithm bypass on the firewall. Indeed. Have a look at the website hackertype.net and it's hilarious. Hackertyper.net. No, I never seen such a thing. .net. I see there is like .com and yes, I just this shit gets to buy once and get to the side just like facing the keyboard. Oh yes. This is indeed, this is like, now we're in a true category software. You just see like, you type something like Uh, so actually, this does make sense actually. Yes, it's fun. Just mash your fingers all over the keyboard, and yes, you are 80s hacking cliches. Yes, just like. So funny, so funny. And is goes to look, yes. But this is actually like the development. If you go to like C++, you probably see something like similar. It's one of my favorite things on the internet. Yes, you have your own like now terminal. You now like real hacker. You type the things, and especially if you do this thing on stream, people like, oh, this like this is terminal. This is I do like stuff. Yeah, now I have my own real hacker terminal. Yes, indeed, and you, this is a real thing. You can customize and put this stuff and do this and that stuff. So cool. Let's go next. Change a little bit of visual style of Agent Slow. uh, I just realized maybe I could create the same thing. I could create the same thing. This would be so funny. This would be so funny. Yes. Oh, this is like actually this is like Batman games Shank. Yes. This is actually like a cool idea. I will make like the mini game like hack. Yes, indeed, indeed, indeed. Let's create this mini game. Um, Vibe. Oh yes. I'm a little bit distracted. Like I don't know. Catch the vibe. Mini game. Create the mini game. Mini game. Vibe hacker. New folder. Vibe hacker. Vibe hacker. Mini key. Print string. name? Vibe OS. Vibe OS. Let's see. Catch the vibe. Let's create another one. Okay, wrap with. Let's do the grid panel. No, let's wrap with grid panel, this one, and add another one. This is gonna be like oh, I named this thing. Oh, I named this thing. I totally forgot. Vibe hacker. Client start mini game. Vibe hacker. Okay, let's play this game. Yes, main computer. Let's drag this thing. Twice. Interesting. Not good. Interesting. Vibe hacker. And nothing happens. Why? Why? The controller E. E. any key, any key, any key, any key, any key. Be right back. Once again, gotta do some stuff. Keep you tapped up. Yes, yes, sure. Sure. So, key vector state, key down, key released, pressed, key state. Let's see. If one of these works, the game is kind of like ready. And none of this works. Okay, let me do another thing. What if I create the component? Any key, name, auto activate, replicate, string, begin playing, get player controller, add component, add hacker. If I just press like, if I add just like any key or a player controller, any key here, these unfortunately will overwrite my keys. Yes, you see, I'm not able to do any. Wait a second. Wait a second. Ah. So probably my things this probably this was worked. Let me see. Ah, so everything is working. Everything is working. I just have like disabled the debug. Have a good one. I'll be around next stream. Yes, thank you for joining the stream. Thank you for being with me. Yes, hope to see you again soon. I think I'm gonna create an interesting mini game, like hacker mini game. And yes, I really would love to see your feedback, like the playtest. Try to get the game like tomorrow. Every Wednesday I got the update. And yes, 42 version. So everything what we have done, like what we were gonna do today, you will get like these updates like tomorrow. And yes, everything will be much more stable and interesting. Yes, thank you for hanging out. Enjoy the vibe. Enjoy the vibe. So yes, oh yes, this works. Now this works. If I make like this works. If I make like this doesn't work. Let me see what's going on with like with tick. This is not actually like good thing with tick. So, but the tick registered this thing. So the tick actually works, but this is the tick. Event destroyed. Get that's pipe packer destroy component. Mm. Okay, client and like packer. Mm-hmm. Event client remove packer. This is so weird. This is so weird. The function works, but it's not. Mm, I don't get it. Get on, get owner, cast the controller, get on, cast player main, get mini game, delay. Oh, interesting. This does not let my control go. Oh. So this means I will use client track input. I will use this method then. Set timer by function name, loop, second track input. Custom event, track input was just pressed, true, false. Mm-hmm. So basically this is like the whole core of the game. That's it. And every time when I got like true, I do something. So false. True, 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 true. What is this? Property camera, look down, look up, look down. Ah, this is like the debug. Okay. Stuff. Yes, this works. This works. The mini game, like Vibe Hacker, works. Okay, let's continue. Let's go back to like the current task. So like I saw like some errors on my log when I pressed the specific button. They remain. I would love to fix this thing. But I have no idea which this button. So clear the log. I press input function, access non-radical property, camera look left, right, down. Maybe this is not my code. Maybe this is something like engine. Yes, this is engine thing. Default engines, some sort of like the engine thing, basically. Yes, I get out from my body and I have like the debug camera. I see this and that stuff, and this calls me like this, just spams me like huge amount of like errors in the log. Yes. Oof. So So just in case is valid. I will never use this thing, but so clear the log, get out, and I still got like this error. I don't get it. So should I put this thing inside of this? I still got this error, but I'm not sure, like, oh, whatever. Something in the engine just like breaks everything, and so weird. Okay. Change a little bit of visual of agent slow. Agent slow. So yes, a little bit, just a little bit. Like my idea, this should be like the male version. Skin load 3. These materials, I don't need them. I also want to remove them. These are the default metahuman materials. I need, because when I compile the game, the funny thing, because every time when I go through these materials, the engine just like, oh my god, just struggles to compile these specific materials. And I never use them. This is so weird. So yes, the agent's slow. I add icon for Discord role. So yes, this is like another thing. A role. Discord role. Discord role for the stream. Yes. Vibe command. Yes. Pause. Dialogue pause. Let me check the poses. These are AF pose 22. Yes, it is on the place 23. So this means everything is correct. Track shank music tracks. Atmosphere. It's not there yet, so yes, let's add them. Track, atmosphere tracks. What? I don't have them in my database. Yes. So let's import these things. Here they are. This goes to music. And this goes to music as well. Default atmosphere. Okay, by the way, default atmosphere. If and I cannot go. Okay, never mind. So mutation green. Show current level name in session statistics. Okay, remove this thing. Training grounds vibe. So yes, correct. Discord feedback now is distinguishable feedback. Is it on button like simple or advanced? Feedback bug report. Yes, distinguishable. So when send feedback, clear all the inputs. Yes. Also made locally save this thing like locally. Published in vibe. Saved. Save games. Where I save this thing? Where? Saved workshop. Workshop Discord feedback. Discord feedback. Huh? This is so weird. Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da. I guess I need to remove these symbols and spacebar and what about quick? I cannot send the quick because I have the cooldown. Let me do this right. Okay. So I need to make kind of like the fix. I need to replace these symbols with actual like space bar, like move to the next level. Okay. Discord feedback. Discord feedback, save text, send, replace inline. Why I have these super weird legs right now? So something with the encoder is obvious, am I right? Oh, I got the message in Discord that somebody sent the feedback. Who was that? Mm-hmm. Okay. The only thing I'm super curious why I have like this space bar before everything, like so weird. So let's oh yes, no, let's finish this. Uh, I guess this. Okay. Let me open the Discord and remove all the feedback and try this again. So in the Discord, everything is the same, everything works just fine. In our local drive, yes, everything is order. Exactly the same thing, and yes. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Hey, have a great day. Hello. I have I have 2.8 key points, so I'm official lurker, right? Detailed has type in case you missed details. Hello, yes, title. Unreal Engine 5 C++ game dev. Mature born MMORPG and software development. Yo, hello, welcome game development. Welcome and welcome. First words, yes, nice. How are you doing? Ah, wow, 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 wow. Back. Wow, this is like epic comeback. Comeback, like, wow, thank you so much for the sub, like, thank you. Welcome. Yes, like, I checked your details. Like, yes, Unreal Engine, C++, game dev as well. Yes, thank you. Welcome, fellow developer. Yes, super lurker. So, how are you doing? How was that? How was your experience in the lurk? Yes, I saw you, like, sometimes like Twitch shows me like the lurkers. Yes, I saw you, like, okay. Yes, I saw you multiple times. Yes, glad you came out, like, you know, a little bit to talk, introduce. So how the project going? It's right now super well. Like, I do the updates every week. Every week updates. Um, every week updates. Every Wednesday, so something new, fixing this and that stuff, and listen like the feedback, like do the playtest and improve many things. I broke my streak with the update like last week. Unreal Engine had like some sort of weird cache problem caused by changing the structure variable. So I did my best, like the whole week, the whole like previous week, I tried to fix this thing, but remove all cache from any places does not help me. So I took my two like previous backup and I recreated all work again. And right now I'm just like going through like the list of my previous work, like make sure that this thing is like working. Yes, works. Yes, works. So yes, everything was restored, and now I'm just like rechecking how this thing's going on. And actually, in general, before that, like weird technical like fall apart, everything is like super great. Many components, they are just fine. They are stable. And yes, every week the new update. And actually, I would love to hear what you think about like the game as well, like personally. If you if you want to let me. Cool, looking good so far. Oh yes. You've been lurking, yes. You saw like this and that, like visuals and stuff. I would love to give you the key if you want, you know, to check the the game by yourself. If something is like good, okay, why bad, okay, why. Yes, this is like you had a typo in feedback section. You had a typo in feedback session. Yes, yes. So I just check this thing, to send the feedback directly to the Discord. I made like the custom thing, so sometimes the Discord like just simply does not work. Detailed button. Yes, detailed button. These my like specific like kind of I read like this psychological book long time ago, and this was like how to collect the data in a correct, like the most like how to set the questions in most like understandable way. So I adapt them to like to gather the feedback. And yes, if something happened with Discord, for example, sometimes Discord doesn't work, like and feedback might not be set. So I created like extra. So if you try to send, this will try to send, and just in case, this also will save like the backup of your feedback to your local drive. So if somehow I say like I haven't seen your feedback, and you're like, oh, I typed here so many things, and what are they? Like, I don't remember. So let's check the local drive. So this is like the new feature. So yes, the game is looking good, going fine, just fine. Yes, thank you for lurking. I really hope that you like the game as well. So again, if you don't mind, I want to thank you for the subscription and give you the key as like in general like an early access to like pre-alpha build. You're welcome. Good progress. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Every week something new. Like yes. Now I rework the visual style for this location. Now it has like a little bit more detailed, but my brother was not here yet. This is just like my stuff, my how I see the game a little bit, and actually was inspired by my menu. And I think I could change these colors, maybe. So yes, I have an option to change the menu. So we can go to like graphics, I guess. Oh no, hot. Change this thing to digitals, and now we will have something like this. And if I change this thing a couple of the times, so we can have like different colors. City back to digitals, and we can have something like that. So this menu, I got inspired by this menu to change a little bit the style of like the training grounds. Okay, so let me grab the key. Where is the key? Okay, so the only thing I would just really recommend it to play test this game like tomorrow. So I send the key to your DM, on in here like on Twitch, and the link to the Steam page. I would really recommend. Okay, thanks, got it now. Yes, yes. I would recommend to play test this thing like tomorrow. Like I prepared like super big update. This was supposed to be like previous week, but something just like had happened with the game. If I find a free time, I'll definitely try it. Yes, sure. It's of course. I would glad to like see like get the feedback from the fellow developer, especially like with Unreal Engine. This is so good. But when I give a feedback, the Steam mark my comment as free acquired, something like that. Okay. I don't know. I don't care. Like I value your feedback. I think this doesn't matter what the mark. And as far as I understand, I give you like the beta key or something like that. If this is like, if this matter or something like, maybe this will shows like the beta key or something like that. Again, the game eventually will be free, so this again really does not matter. Oh, no problem. Yes. And again, the thing about like the Discord. Yes, I send the feedback to Discord. Plus, oh, nice colors, nice like combination. Looking good. Join the game. You can actually have like extra bonuses if you log in with the Discord. For example, like the customization, like the character name change, and the customization of like objects in the world. So let me go to like, for example, Vibe City. Yes. Okay. So right now, like by default, you have like the default options of like colorizing this thing, but if you log into like the Discord, you will be able to like set any colors, to your own taste, you know, create something to your like this. So just like here, like Discord authorization, this shows like loading the page. This is official Discord authorization thing. You can use, I usually use my phone, just like scan this thing and let's go. I use like the free server render.com as far as I remember. So sometimes this server is like, this is free server, so they like do not spend much resources on the free server, so sometimes they are in a sleep mode, so you have to like wait like 15 seconds usually. Try this again. Authorize. Again, still still in sleep mode. I get like the Discord name and basically the roles, and that's it. And actually I even don't need the Discord name, maybe just like the roles. So let me try this one more time. And yes, the data was received. I am reporting, developer, Twitch subscriber. Yes, this shows me I'm Twitch subscriber to myself. And the stream. Stream. Let's make this thing of red color. Nice. So what are you making? Like, do you have like any links, like what you want to share? Hey, Decepta and Manglo, welcome in, welcome in. Glad everybody see you. Yes, Decepta, I know your policy, your lurk as well. So cool, so cool. I'm so glad to see you all like together and for your support, like for your lurk, like for your like come out, like even like the subs, like this is so impressive, like and fascinating. Thank you, thank you. I will do my best to give you even more. Like again, today is kind of like today is kind of what's going on? Huh, interesting. Today is kind of like the playtest day because I have like two open editors at the same time, and I really see no performance issues, at least right now. So this means I will prepare something on the next stream, something for the chat. I already made this thing, but I was not sure how to deal with this thing, like, you know, separate the flows. So okay, yes, Discord row set icon data, set icon color, this row color, stream, let's say this thing go to like red. So this is like visuals UI. Discord row stream now has the red color. And again, when I do the stream, and if you're like part of the Discord, during the stream you will get like all like these features. You will unlock all other features as well. I'm back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. So yes, everything is super. We got like another fellow developers who was like lurking all this time. So yes, he just came out from the shadows and gave us this up. So yes, really, really appreciate it. I just like double checked and restored your tracks, your song, so they are back. Fixed the Discord. Oh yes, let me set this as fixed. So when you send the feedback to the Discord, I had like a weird issue, let's say. Saved workshop. Discord feedback. I had like no like I was not able to move to the next line. This kind of stuff. So now everything is like is super neat and smooth. So I fixed this thing. Yes, I'm moving next. So yes, let me focus a little bit. I'm kind of confused. Where am I? Discord send feedback, making the backup txt files. They now have correct text structure, the same as in the engine, the same as in the game. I am not sure how to say this word in English, so I try to move this in other way. So this is what I've been told like back then, like I don't know, like 20 years ago, like literally 20 years ago. Yes, 20 years ago almost. Maybe less. I went and studied as like in like translator, like English translator, and our teacher, he said or she said, I don't remember who it was, like probably she, because not many male teachers there. Like if you don't know the word, just explain this in other words. So like sounds reasonable. Oh yes, by the way, that's awesome. I'm about half done working on another track for you, but I want to make sure it is as good as it can be before I export it. Yes, thank you. This is so awesome. This is so awesome. I would love to hear your next track, and yes, for sure, like take your time, do not rush, and when you feel it's like ready or something like that, then it's ready. And by the way, Shink, I made this mini game. I made this mini game to hack, like the same you showed me the website. So it's kind of in the game, but without any visuals, let's say. Maps, sandbox, vibe city. Main computer, let's take this one. So I'm just like show you the you probably will see almost nothing, but this works. So we go to like PC, Vibe Hacker, and actually we are inside of the game. If I type something, if I press like the random button, the engine, the game registers these presses, these button presses. Yes, dock, let's dock this thing. So yes, this is our game log. What's going on in the game? Let's clear this thing, and when I type something, the mini game says like I do stuff. Yes, I have like this doesn't matter, so I type something and I even the mouse button, yes. So the game understands. Fantastic world. Yes, yes. This is like I will recreate this thing like in my way, but yes, you will do like this hacker stuff, and as soon as you reach like a certain level of the text, you will get the vibe of the game inside the game. So this is like actually like hacker too. And this is like the screen where you will see like this text and some extra things, not just like the text. You need to label hack the vibe. Uh, maybe I just called like vibe hacker for now. And this is the code. This is the code basically. That's it. So I just like I use these methods. I just check, do I press like any key? If yes, do stuff. Vibe hacker is one 10 out of the 10 too. Yes, this is like super awesome. Like really grateful for giving me this idea. So I was like, wait a minute, this fits like perfectly. So I have like the digital world, kind of like a little bit of Matrix, so why not? And again, this was like super easy to recreate. The only thing we have left is to create like the logic, like the structure of like the text, build like the text, and maybe like, you know, other track the progress of what you are typing. You could have it pop up every now and then when you use it, saying you got through the firewall or universe successfully hacked. Yes, this there are like a lot of possibilities. So you could hack, yes, you will get the vibe, but also you can hack, like for example, you can hack like add some, you know, change the atmosphere, like accidentally like set the random values, for example, or like add like a certain like a random weapon, or remove a weapon, or like damage other player, or like heal other player. I don't know, like this could be like the random things. If you hack too long, you can cause a glitch storm. You need to do with it. Oh yes, 100%, 100%. Yes, 100%. This is actually yes. Maybe if I add like the random events, this is just like super random. But if you always like, if you like hack like for a long time, you will cause like the glitch storm. This is like super. This is great system ad for sure. Yes, this is great. If you like change the this thing, yes. If you cause the glitch storm, this is like super good idea. Yes, thank you. Okay, what next? I am somewhere here. New Discord, send me feedback. Okay. Replace the sound icon to gear icon. I think it was done. Oh yes, by the way, the new model for the atmosphere changer. So we no longer have like the yellow cube. We have this one. Since you're adding weapons back into the game, you can have it so during the glitch storm bugs spawn, and once you kill them, all the storm ends. That is awesome. Did your brother make that? Yes. Yes, thank you, thank you. Yes, my brother, of course, everything was made by my brother. So, yes. Oh, yes, the ads. Ads. So, human editor, yes. Yes, I think we are back. Yes, everything by my brother. So, at some places I have like, I would say like the placeholders of certain things. Like I grab some human, I grab some assets